Hi friends, Janine Pettit at the Florida RV Show. I'm here with Forest River and this is their Wolf Pup. I really like this. It has a great floor plan that I think a lot of solo women travelers will appreciate, but it's a couple trailer too. This is not a off-road per se, but it does have a 2-inch lift on it and heavy duty tires. And it's got the aluminum outside, but let's go inside and take a look. We've been in similar models today, but I got to tell you that I really love the finishes here. I love that the seats here are fabric, but take a look at these windows. You really would be sitting here eating lunch. They all open too. That's a lot of screen. You're going to get a lot of airflow going here. Really great storage above here. I like that this sink is so deep and that you still do have some decent counter space here. 2 burners right here. Honestly, all you need when you're camping, because you do some cooking outside. This is really great because you could put pots, pans, your coffee pot, all that in there. It's got a nice lip here, so this isn't going anywhere. But one of the girl camper tricks is you get a small curtain rod, spring rod, and you put it there, and that's not going anywhere while you're moving. I'm so impressed by the size of this refrigerator here. Very, very subtle. Look at how pretty the air conditioner even is. Okay, we're going to go through here. We've been in a couple of bathrooms like this today, but I got to tell you, this is the best one we've seen so far. This is a nice height on this counter, really big mirror here and lots of storage in there. Nice electric fan there to exhaust the bathroom. Separate shower here. That door closes, this door closes. So if someone's using the bathroom, you got a little privacy. But come to the edge here, Risa, and I want to talk about this. So this is a dedicated queen size bed. It is an RV queen, but it is walk around, and that is very nice. Nice storage going here. And you do have a spot for your charging things. Sometimes there's a cutout here, but they put it in front. Decent storage here. The bed comes up. Really love that there's 2 really large windows for cross ventilation going here. Also, you can't see it, but there's a ducted air conditioner there. And there is a mount right there for your television and Wi-Fi if you're here, and a sliding door. So really, this is a great model if you're thinking about something that'll take you a little off-road, but has a really good floor plan. This is the Wolf Pup by Forest River.